Every single morning, millions of Americans over 50 wake up with the same feeling: a tightness in their chest, a heaviness in their airways. And they assume this is just what getting older feels like. But it is not. What if the solution was already sitting in your kitchen right now? What if 3 simple morning drinks could start clearing your airways, reducing inflammation, and helping your lungs breathe freely again, starting from day 1? Today we are revealing the 3 most powerful morning drinks for lung health, backed by research and used by respiratory therapists worldwide. Stay until drink number 3, because that one has the most surprising science behind it. Quick note before we begin: this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your licensed physician before making changes to your health routine. If you have severe breathing difficulty right now, call 911 immediately. Morning drink number 1, turmeric ginger tea. This combination has been studied extensively by NIH researchers. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory compounds ever discovered. Ginger adds gingerol, which actively breaks down mucus lining your airways. When you drink turmeric ginger tea every morning, curcumin enters your bloodstream within 30 minutes. It targets inflamed airway tissue directly. Seniors with chronic bronchitis who added this drink reported noticeable improvement in breathing within just 7 days. How to make it: boil 2 cups of water. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 4 slices of fresh ginger. Simmer for 10 minutes. Strain into your favorite cup. Add 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Drink warm every morning before breakfast. But the next drink, most people have never even heard of it, and researchers are calling it one of the most powerful natural lung remedies ever studied. Morning drink number 2, mullein leaf tea. Mullein has been used in traditional medicine for over 2,000 years, specifically for respiratory health. Modern research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology confirms what ancient healers always knew: mullein actively loosens and expels mucus from deep lung tissue. Unlike many herbal remedies, mullein works as a natural expectorant. It does not just soothe airways, it physically helps your body remove the mucus that is blocking oxygen flow. For seniors with cough, chronic bronchitis, or post-infection congestion, this tea is remarkable. How to make it: add 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried mullein leaves to a cup of boiling water. Steep for 15 minutes. Strain carefully through a fine mesh. Add raw honey if desired. Drink 1 cup every morning. Available at most health food stores and online. And now, morning drink number 3. This one has the most surprising research behind it, and once you hear what it does to your lungs, you will never skip it again. Morning drink number 3, warm honey lemon water. Simple, inexpensive, and according to a landmark study from Oxford University, more effective than many over-the-counter cough suppressants for clearing airway inflammation. Raw honey coats and soothes irritated bronchial tissue. Lemon delivers vitamin C directly to immune cells lining your lungs. The combination works on 2 levels simultaneously. Raw honey creates a physical barrier that protects damaged airway tissue from further irritation. Vitamin C from fresh lemon stimulates your immune system to fight airway infections before they take hold. Together they create a powerful morning shield for your lungs. How to make it: squeeze half of fresh lemon into a cup of warm water, not hot, warm. Add 1 teaspoon of raw organic honey. Stir gently. Drink slowly first thing in the morning before coffee or food. Your airways will begin responding within the first week. Here is your simple morning lung routine. Wake up, drink warm honey lemon water first. 30 minutes later with breakfast, drink your turmeric ginger tea. Mid-morning, drink your mullein leaf tea. 3 drinks, less than 5 minutes of preparation, and your lungs will feel the difference within days. Your lungs have been working for you every second of your life. Give them the support they deserve. 3 simple drinks every morning. starting tomorrow. Breathe easy, live strong. If this helped you, please share it with a family member or friend over 60. They may need this information right now. And subscribe for a new video every single week, because your health after 50 deserves real answers.